Hello, Peter here, your Pinoy accountant. So, yung video na ito is to address the question is, yung sa kanilang profile, yung TIN number nila, yung branch digit nila is, yung sinasabi nila is bumabalik daw sa 3 digits. Instead of the 5 digits, yung bago kasing EBIR form natin, the 7.9.6, is 5 na yung digits for the branch code. So, what happened is yung workaround kasi natin before is, it would really happen na kahit i-input natin, for example, ito ha, sample tayo. 5 0 na yan, but yan, kita nyo is automatic niyang pinalitan ng 3 0. Because yung ginawa natin before is this is our old profile. And yung old profile natin is actually 3 0 lang yung talaga yung branch code. But it really doesn't matter naman yung ating branch code because yung 5 branch code is for those big companies with example 1,000 branches na tayo is usually zero lang naman yung ating branch code. It could be 0 or 01. So kahit 3 digits yan, actually wala siyang problem because hindi siya masyadong nag-apply sa atin. So yung iba gusto 5 digits. So ano ba yung gagawin so that 5 digits yung mag-a-appear sa kanilang 10. So yung pwede natin gawin dyan is actually i-delete natin yung ating profile and gagawa tayo ng panibagong profile so that 5 digits na yung lalabas sa ating branch code. So ito this is the easiest simplest way. Yung iba is ini-edit yung ano profile mismo but hindi naman lahat alam kung paano mag-edit ng profile. So ito yung example natin ha. So kita nyo 3 0 lang yan. So yung gagawin natin is exit muna tayo and then pupunta tayo sa folder na profile. So again, yung puntahan natin is itong profile na folder and kita nyo dito is we will delete yung ating 10. For example, itong 0 0 0 dito na 10 ninyo, pwede nyo actually i-delete yan. I-delete yan and then delete permanently. And then yun, balikan nyo is i-open nyo ulit yung EBR form. So hindi na mag-a-appear yung ating profile dito. So yung gagawin natin is, yun, mag-input tayo ulit manually nung details ng ating profile. So dito, ayan, 7.9.6, ayan. I-input nyo ulit yung TIN ninyo. Ayan. So 5 0 na. And then yung RDO code. So manual, isa-isahin nyo pag input ulit. Line of business, example is online retail, and then yung last name ninyo. So i-check nyo lang yung certificate of registration ninyo. So in our example, si Monkey D. Luffy, ayan. And then registered address, and then yung zip code ninyo, example, and the number, and then the email address. Email.com. And then, pipili kayo ng any form. For example, 1701Q, version 2018. Ayan. And then, click nyo, fill up. Ayan. So, kailangan nyo i-input ulit yung 10 ninyo. And then, 5 0. Ayan. And then, confirm your email. So, dapat mag-match siya doon sa in-input nyo kanina na email sa profile. Ayan. And then, submit. Ayan. And then, i-click nyo fill up again. Ayan, and then kita nyo dito, ayan, so problem solved na, yung tin natin is 5 0 na, ayan, kita nyo, 0 0 0 0 0. So, ayan, so this is the easiest way, actually the simplest way, hindi nyo na kailangan i-edit yung profile niyo is gawa na lang kayo ng panibagong profile. So, ayan. So, yun lang yung ating video for today. Ayan, pinakita ko lang sa inyo, very quick video lang is paano ba maka-create kayo ng panibagong profile na 5 yung digits for the branch code. Ito nga, 0 0 0 0 0. So again, thank you very much for watching. If may mga tanong kayo, just comment down below. And again, thank you very much and I'll see you in our next videos.